hi.
Zo. Dit is ook voor spiegel de wedstrijd en voor de project. Nou, wat zeg.
Feels like going on top of the lake. Is it an ocean? No, it's a sea. It's a river.
Maar
Ooh. It's beautiful. And smells so good. Oh, they have a small cafeteria, small cups.
OG coffee shop, the very first. Same as in Brussels, except here it's actually legal.
No, but it's really pretty here. I don't know why. I feel like since December you walked up on the shoulder. I'm not sure on how to do it.
How to open the curtain?
Yeah, like and I get the view at the same time. There are so many trams right now. I want to show you something. So I just discovered that there's normally an automatic curtain. So let me show you how it does. We open, right now it's closed. You see? It's fully closed. Now we open it. Look. And right now it's open. That's the view from like outside. Now we are going to close it. We close. I don't know why it's making me so excited. Wow. No, baby. It's like that and it's done. That's today's fit. So today's my birthday. I'm just turning 27. I'm so excited, but I'm sick too. I got flu. Today is my birthday, as I said, and this is my second fit. I mean, I was really going for it, but I think it does deserve not tonight. It's too short and I want to be like super comfortable, and these are the shoes. 27 look good. 27 looks so good. And that's the full fit how I wanted it to be like. Let me see if I have full light. Something like that. That's how I'm going out. Very simple, very decided.
Should be able to open the window if you want. We can probably walk to the back. Wow. And then take up the radio.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Of the year it is closed.
It's beautiful.
Island. In front of the island there is a sea palace. It's a floating. The tower itself was built in the 1500s, and in the beginning of the 1600s, when it lost its function after the city expansion, they put up the white top. It was designed by Hendrik the Keizer, and it is made out of wood. Looks like it's made out of stone, it's made out of wood, otherwise the tower should be too heavy and collapse. This water is an old, we call it the outer trench canal. It's an old defense canal around the city center. And in the old days, castles, cities were protected by water. It was much easier to defend the city when there was water around it, so we used water as a defense purpose. In the later period, they started using the water for transportation. This water was also the new flow of the Amsterdam River. After they built the dam inside the Amstel itself 800 years ago.
What's really nice about it is like
Most wooden poles, they drove them into the ground, and in top they could build a house. An average house needed about 40 wooden poles, but many times they used less to save costs. And then after a while, the building starts sinking to the side. Another possibility is that these wooden poles, they have contact with oxygen when they are not deep enough, or when the groundwater level drops. Then they start rotting, and then the building also starts sinking to the side. Coming up on the right, there is another old tower. And this one was also part of the old city wall, or defense wall. This one is called the Munttoren, the Mint Tower. Our coins were made over there, minted. And it's one of the three remaining towers of the old city. The building on the right, Hotel de l'Europe. It's a 5-star hotel, and it's owned by the Heineken family. And the story says that Mr. Heineken, he bought this hotel for his wife Marie as a birthday present.
Mr. Room, that's it. Everywhere they go. That'd be funny.
And Michael wants to
Skinny bitch on the left. And the story says forever.
Yeah.
1700s. The building is in its original condition, outside, inside, so it gives a good impression how the houses looked in these days.
Do you see any flag anywhere?
They were, and here you can see St. Michael, the dragon killer, standing on the head of an elephant. On the right, St. Michael.
My people can view that too.
Ships at that morning when they are in the city. Further to the right, behind the Overbig Hotel, there's
If I lived here, I'd come here to fish.
Java Island. The tower next to it is the old main office of Shell, the Netherlands. And they sold the tower, the area around it. Did a redevelopment. It's now a living area. We call it Overhoeks. And that wind meter was used by the sailing ships who had here.
And we made it home. I'm ready for bed. Good night, guys. Until next vlog. Oh, today is the 20th of March, and as I said yesterday, we got home. And good morning, fam. Right now I'm gonna show you some of the things that I got, but I won't show you everything. So this was the first item. It's from Hunmoila, I think. It's a company for female things. By that I mean like the intimate things, like your bras, your panties, your nightwear. And I got this. Ooh, it's beautiful. It's one of the new collection, and stay tuned for the rest. And these are the like last items that I'll show you. I won't show you anything else. This one came with a perfume and a cream. The perfume is inside. This is a swimming suit. It's from, I think it's Primark. And I got this as souvenirs coming back to Belgium. Let me show you how they look. Cute mini bag. Anything that has purple always catches my attention, and I love art. So I took this bicycle, and definitely to say that I was in Holland, something like that. And yeah, guys, anyway, peeps, don't forget to subscribe, and if you watched it this long, drop a comment. I mean, we are growing as a family, so yeah, drop a comment and everything. And see you. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Many times, anytime I walk, some of my friends ask me like, "What? Which smell is that?" It's normally this. It's very mild, very feminine. I love it. And I got a tester of this one. It's really good too. I think I'll be now doing like both of them. They're really good. Anyway guys, bye.